family, welcome to the Allycaral vlogs. I'm Alicia Fernandez and I hope you all are doing fine. It's already October and I hope this year has been really amazing. In another 2 months, we're going to be in 2025. We're really looking forward to that. But yes, in this particular video, we are going to do something different, something hatke from all the previous videos that we have done. We have received a package from Dr. Batra. So let us just go through what exactly is in store without wasting much of time. So let's get started. So guys, now what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this package which has come from Dr. Batra's. So yes, as we said, let's get started. So the first and foremost, what we have received is this beautiful Dr. Batra's Pro Plus Skin Glow Kit. So this contains 3 important elements which we are going to open, unbox it, and we're going to go through it. As per the packaging, I think it's a really amazing packaging that has been done. It is a product which is of a natural ingredient. Most importantly, it is cruelty free, and at the same time it is also free from any harmful chemicals. So if you're looking for something that would really help up your skin, is Dr. Batra's Pro Plus Skin Glow Kit. So yes, without wasting much of a time, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that we are going to deal with is the Dr. Batra's Pro Plus Skin Glow, which is a foaming face wash. So this particular face wash is meant for reducing pigmentation. It boosts in collagen, which enhances elasticity and prevents saging of the skin. It's also UV protection, rays protection, that basically protects your skin from the sun damage and maintains the youthfulness of the skin. So this is the foaming face wash in this particular range. Next up, after this foaming face wash, is this serum. It's just like a normal serum. This is just the normal serum that we have with us. So it's like a typical bottle serum. So if you can see, this bottle is this big. It also has a little bit of the elements of it. If you see, if I can show you, it's very smooth and nice. It is typically ideal for the skin, and it's lightweight, most importantly, which a lot of people prefer using something which is lightweight. And additionally, it is also an antioxidant power and improves blood circulation. So this is perfectly meant for a good glowing skin, and this routine kit so far is really giving amazing. And the last and foremost is the Skin Glow cream, which is basically the cream which has very interesting properties. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up for you, and we're going to check with the amount of lightweightness it has. My goodness, you can easily make out how light the gel could be. So we'll take a little bit of the gel. I'm going to use it. Wow. It's non-greasy and non-sticky as well. So I think this is the perfect ideal kit that anybody should opt for. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the big fat like, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. And yes, we do such interesting content in the days to come, so keep watching your favorite Allycaral vlogs. Bye bye.